Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to tell you, is Samsung Galaxy A35 5G worth buying or not? So guys, if you're talking about this phone, so this phone is basically comes with a high price, but it provides a lot of good features. Like we have some of the AI features in it, like circle to search, talking about the object eraser. So yes, this feature also comes in A35 5G. Talking about its camera, guys, so it has 50 megapixel back camera, and talking about the selfie camera, so yes, it has 32 megapixel selfie camera. So guys, talking about its processor, it has Exynos 1380, which is a heavy processor and perform a lot of gamings. And I personally do much more gaming, like I play PUBG here, Call of Duty Warzone, talking about Asphalt 9. So yes, I play this device and it provides me a lot of best experience. But sometimes this phone may heat up just because of over gaming or over performance. So I face only this issue. But if you're talking about the worth buying, so yes, this device is worth buying. So that's it guys about the video. If this video helped you, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.